forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Neesberry tree, soursop tree, almond tree, ackee tree, pear tree. What do you say? Cottages. I listen last year, Empress Menin. Yes. Real forest, and you go to the forest to reach the point, you know. Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, natural forest, man. Not. Again. Yes, repeat. So one of your things will have vibe, little meditation, nice inspiration. And I will them around with me. How would that?
Okay, hey people, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza, and I am joined by a very special person. Very special person.
Hey,
let's introduce yourself.
My name is Isheeba from Isheeba Wellness, and we've got a really special treat for everyone today.
We do. But guys, you know, we like to be transparent, right, on this channel. We like to keep it 100. You know this, right? Don't worry about Al, you soon see him. And we've got another special guest too. But I just want to say, do you know it's literally only, was it 2 weeks ago that we met?
Yeah,
maybe even less. Probably 2 weeks ago that we met, guys. And honestly, it was just we clicked, we connected. And like sometimes you meet people come into your life and they do so for a reason. True. Yeah, and we didn't know each other, but we met, we got talking, we realized that we're two Brits.
Yeah.
So we already had that in common, that we've been living out here for a few years. And honestly, what we're doing, the work we're doing with datmisehtv Jamaica, and all of the work that Isheeba is doing, it was a no-brainer. We have to link, and we have to come together. And guys, stay tuned, because we've got so much fantastic things between the two of us coming up. We're at a beautiful location right now, guys. Honestly, Isheeba calls it heaven, and I understand why she calls it heaven. We're going to show you this beautiful place and show you what we've got to offer you guys and the rest of the world right here.
But can I just say something,
Yeah.
right? What's really interesting is like sometimes when you meet somebody, you know, like we've only just met a couple of weeks, but there's a connection like I've known you forever.
Yeah,
It's like I've just known you forever.
Yeah.
We laugh and chat like
Exactly.
and I actually think that we have met before.
Yeah.
You know, along the way in our ancestral lineage, you know, spiritually before we've journeyed together. That's why the connection this time round is so strong. I mean, it'd be interesting to see what people think about that.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Definitely. But guys, definitely we've got so many plans in the works. And we were like, you know what, we've got to start this straight away. Like, we've got to start straight away. Honestly, guys, I'm so excited to show you what we've got coming up. It's something that I know you're gonna love. Something I know you're gonna love. Definitely. But guys, stay tuned. We've got enough more coming. Don't go nowhere. Stay right there.
Nice.
Wow. Look at this. Lovely, isn't it?
We're actually in heaven.
I'm coming. Taking my time with it. Taking my time with it. People, look at this. I have to zoom in. Look at this. Stairs. Look at this. Yeah. I haven't even said anything yet. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do you know what? Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. This is it. This is it.
You feel it? Alright, we're done.
This is it.
Yoga right here. We do the yoga right here. Oh gosh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
We can control line, you know? We can control line when I time, you know? Look at that. Yeah. Good like that.
Right? Exactly.
You can't just
Of course, you can play like that.
No.
Look at what you're doing.
I hold up a manners, man.
Listen, me just
I hold up a manners, man. I hold up a manners, man. I have enough manners, that.
Of course, that's an extra level.
check me.
That's an extra level right there.
An extra level
Look
right
beside
there.
that. People,
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, say. Anyway, I thought I'm going to bring you with me.
Every
You think we're
time.
not supposed to have confidence, but in me right now, from them time I said no, we're not supposed to have that confidence there. We have a lot of hidden places in Jamaica, because we don't know. I'm going to show you now. Some people are hide it, I'm going to show you now, nothing know. People, that me say.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to business, man.
Wow.
Yes. Look at this.
Amazing.
Any boat can come right there, sir.
Amazing.
And step on it.
Amazing. Wow. Yes, heaven for true.
Can move up on the seaside now, normal. Man has done prayers. Give thanks to life. We take it. I'm not doing me that to the brother. That's something here. Sweet like a granulated sugar. No, sir. What a thing. No. That's something I name nicely on the rock. Star deck. Whoa, ja. Star deck. Watch the Empress them. No. My God. My God. Look at this. Isheeba in style.
Have to master the art of wearing high heels, darling.
Whoa, look at trust, the big. Look at this. Yeah, go ahead, do. Go ahead, look at you have to go on that idea.
It's just a food now.
Just a food.
Just a food now.
You're bad. You're bad. You're bad. What? Hold on. All the brakes are over there.
Better from this side, Mo.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, a little bit better. Cheers!
Cheers. Food is delicious, by the way.
All vegetarian, you wouldn't
Very
even
nice.
miss the meat.
No, you don't.
Honestly,
You
it's
don't.
just delicious.
Mhm.
This is sweet potato stir-fried rice with vegetables, you know, carrots and green peppers, and then the salad has got mint and thyme and cilantro and celery. It's just all goodness with plantain. I mean, it's just heaven on earth.
Guys, it tastes delicious. It tastes really good.
See them people. Black. So we eat in harmony. Yeah. We're not eating war. Especially when you eat healthy food. That's something you balance people. That's right, man. Another prayers. Give thanks to life. Every man need a wife. International. People. We just the writers and look around. I look around now. No follow me look around now. Just follow me and look around, people. My God. Master can definitely be the road coming on when you're done. Look at that, people. I'm just turning around. Look at the surrounding. Come right back here now. What a life. Right on the seaside. Beautiful. That's Diesel from datmisehtv. And that's Isheeba. Whole up a manners, man. I when I left with the prayers.
Yeah. Keep the camera, please. Guys, Isheeba has a YouTube channel. I want you to go and follow her.
Oh, thank you.
I want you to subscribe.
Thank you.
Like up the videos them. Okay, we're gonna put her YouTube channel link in the description box.
Thank
Okay? So you go on the description box, click the link, subscribe, show my girl some support, show her some love, watch the video. She's got some great content, guys. Guys, she got story for days. Trust me, she's got great content. So please go and
thank you so
go on her
much.
channel, subscribe, like up the video them, and let's support each other.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I mean, Isheeba, you're good, man.
Thank you.
You got your back. Like Pasca.
Thank you.
Yes, manners and prayers, peeps. Give thanks to life. That, me say. Beautiful. Yes, my people. All a joy, you know. Eat and drink and all these things. Take a chill pill and, you know, what it will. We take a chill pill. Manners and prayers, peeps.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is so magical.
Beautiful.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
Guys, we're just taking a walk through the woods. So majestic, so lovely.
So peaceful.
Definitely. How nice is this?
And if trees could talk,
Right.
what story would they tell?
Oh gosh, yes, I'm sure they've got some stories, man.
I'm sure they've got some stories. Beautiful. Wow. see, and these are the huts that people will be staying in
Yeah.
when they come into the
Yeah.
yoga retreat. How lovely just to wake up to this.
Exactly.
I could wake
Exactly,
up to this
me
like,
too.
any day. This really is just like its own little inner world.
It
isn't
is. It is. Just away from everything else.
It just is.
Little escape.
Everyone needs an escape,
Of course.
don't they?
Of course. I love these here. Love these.
So good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Artist house. I've seen the old too. And the artist house. Welcome to my artist house.
Yeah.
This is where all the arts happen. In the artist house.
So into the artist's house.
Oh look. Welcome, come into my artist house. Isheeba's artist house. Come along.
Let's go in, guys. Oh, this one's okay.
Nice little bed. Mosquito nets. Sometimes it's just so good to just be earthy, be connected
That's
with
it.
the reality of it all. You know, I'm surrounded by wood, nature in its finest. You know, mosquito net, very important. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Nice. Just a part of nature in the shower.
That
Beautiful.
So guys, as you saw in our introduction, we're here with the lovely Isheeba, my sister from another mother. Guys, you've seen this beautiful location that we're in. Isn't it stunning? Just amazing. And I just wanted to give this opportunity to Isheeba just to explain why we're here, what's on offer here, and maybe just a little bit more about her as well. Isheeba.
Okay, thank you so much. So we're here in this beautiful, idyllic location in St. Mary's, Jamaica. Jamaica being an ideal destination of healing and wellness. We all know that, you know, we have so much fruits that grow on the trees here in Jamaica. We have so many healthy things that grow in the ground. We have organic soil. You know, Jamaica is a hub of healing. I mean, I'd go as far as to call it the Garden of Eden. So what a better place to come to if you're looking for calm, peace, to be de-stressed, to find new direction in your life, to maybe awaken certain parts of you that have been dormant, to work on issues like forgiveness and healing.
Definitely.
You know, this is the place to come, and you can come here for 7 days, or you can come here for an afternoon. There are choices. You can come here, you can do sunrise yoga from 7 o'clock till 1 o'clock, or you can do sunset yoga from 3 o'clock till 8. They're two separate little packages. And then we have a 7-day yoga retreat where you can come and stay here for the entire duration. And honestly, in this time where it's a time of recovery, you know, we have to take our health into our own hands, and health and wellness is key. So we will have fresh organic food for you to eat here on every level. We have an idyllic forest and sea environment. The people that are on the retreats are always very uplifting people. We try to keep the madness out.
Definitely.
And this is a cutaway. It's away from everything and everyone else. So it's our own, it's our own little world. And for that peace of mind, you know, learning to meditate every day. We know our thoughts are everything. Our thoughts are who we become.
Yeah.
So
Thoughts
we
become
want
our actions, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
thoughts become our actions. So we really want to keep our thoughts clear. And because we're so programmed to a lot of negative thinking, we really want to turn that on its head and become positive thinkers, so that these sorts of positive things manifest in our life. So I really welcome you all to come along and come and join. You'll be treated like royalty. You know, I love to take care of people. That's my thing, to serve. I'm here to serve. You may see me in many, many different idioms, you know, singing and dancing and all that, but really I'm here to serve. So come along, and I look forward to meeting you. Thank you. So the beautiful thing about this retreat, it's not on any large scale. It's very bespoke, it's very intimate. We don't do any more than 8 people at a time, so everybody gets their special attention, and I think that's what's really important. And especially in this particular time where mass gatherings aren't particularly, you know, encouraged, I think people are looking for something that's a little bit more intimate, a little bit more personalized, a little bit more kind of, you know, directed at specifically a healing, you know, a peace, a joy, a tranquility, an awakening, you know, and that's what you can get here at the Isheeba Wellness Yoga Retreat. So what's great as well is that the minute you arrive in Jamaica, you will be met by datmisehtv, the celebrities. So your day starts with being picked up by shuttle wherever you live within the Ocho Rios vicinity, and then we travel to St. Mary's on in a luxurious, very intimate style. Refreshments along the way, and then when you get here now, we set up for some yoga. We have beautiful yoga on the deck by the sea. Afterwards we have fabulous brunch with just lovely healthy eating, you know, with a glass of wine and maybe some ganja truffles as well, which are just delicious. If you don't like the ganja truffles, there are other truffles that you can have. And then after that we're going to do some African drumming in the forest, calling on our ancestors, and just everybody gets that chance to get involved with that pulse, that heartbeat. And then, you know, after that we, you know, just hang out for a little while, lay in the sun, just relax and take it nice and easy, and then get back to Ocho Rios just after lunchtime. And very similarly with the sunset yoga, you get picked up at 3 o'clock, you come here, but we start a little bit differently. We start with the African drumming inside the forest, and then we go and do some yoga as the sun goes down. Beautiful, beautiful. And then after that we have some lovely refreshments, some lovely you know, vegetarian food, some lovely wines, some lovely juices and things, and then we finish off at 8 o'clock. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you on this journey. Lengthen up, up. Exhale, move your body over to the left hand side. Open up that right hand rib, breathe, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, all the way back up to the top, lengthen up to the top when you get there, more. Exhale over to the other side. Beautiful, breathe, inhale. Exhale, coming all the way forward. Breathe, inhale, and exhale. Breathe, inhale. Abdomen strengthen in the core. Breathe, inhale, and exhale. Beautiful. Inhale, place the hands back onto the knees, feet to the floor, and just rock it. Look up to the heavens. Open your heart. Open your third eye. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe. Feel that lower back engage.
This one has got to be now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.